Welcome back to the Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix phone number hidden on your Android device. Now, if you recently noticed that your Android device is showing that your phone number is hidden whenever you try to make a call to other lines, here's how to go about fixing that. Alright, so to proceed, just search for settings, click on settings, and then from the search bar, just search for caller ID, click on the search icon, and then click on caller ID, and then you should see caller ID right here. Click on that. So you'd want to select the affected network, for example Airtel. Click on caller ID again. Alright, so you can see from here that we have the numbers hidden, so which means that whenever you make a call to other lines, the recipient line will see your number as a private number. So to resolve that, you just want to select show number, and that's it. So there you have it, guys. That's how to fix your phone number hidden on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.